This 860 square feet, 2-bed/2-bath 2004 Palm Harbor home has 54 of dockage and a great rental history. This amazing property is located on the Atlantic Ocean and has spectacular open water views. This tropical home includes 2 bedrooms, 2 full baths, living/dining area, kitchen, laundry, upper deck, lower patio, covered parking and boat dockage. Excellent rental history in Venture Out, which is a gated community with 24 hours security and many exciting amenities, and also pet-friendly. The glass house is a stilted, standalone double-wide manufactured home located 10 from a seawall on the Atlantic Ocean. The 54 docking area includes cleats, dock posts, swim ladder, fish cleaning table and outdoor shower. Located on a quiet cul-de-sac, this property boasts an 180-degree expansive open water view that will take your breath away. Swim and snorkel right off the seawall and enjoy deep water boating access and fabulous fishing. The home faces south and avoids the hot afternoon sun. It survived Hurricane Irma, and recent updates include metal roof, AC, hot water heater, hurricane shutters, gutters, flooring, painting, and updated kitchen, furniture, and appliances. Windows are sealed with glass enforcer hurricane film, providing extra protection. Outdoor surveillance system included. Open water view can be enjoyed from every room, excluding baths. Baths are located on the street side, making the bedrooms quieter, more private and allowing for spectacular water views from each. The master access is a sturdy cement, tiled deck surrounded by an attractive glass railing for an unobstructed ocean view. Tropical landscaping lends beauty and privacy. Beyond the channel, the coral reef is a feeding sanctuary for beautiful egrets and other waterfowl. The lower patio area on the ocean has a mosaic table with benches that can withstand strong winds, along with lounge chairs for relaxation. Included is a dock box, grill, bikes and covered parking for 1 car.